everybody, welcome back to Bro Birds.
Your favorite internet sensation.
The sensational sounds of the internet coming together for one purpose, and that's playing video games together to better mankind.
Baby, you just gotta...
And I died, damn it,
You just gotta feel the ocean, you gotta feel the motion of the ocean. You
Game
gotta feel
over.
the sensation of the accusation.
No, that's one of the words. Spun all the way to the start. Somebody got 8 lives. Good for you. I'm happy.
We do combat.
Oh, well, he's done for. Wow, you know it's really easy when you got.
But I found a hammer.
Dude, we can knock through rocks.
I am the hammer brother.
Can you only
now.
use it once?
Yeah.
Oh, that stinks.
You gotta use it at the right time. Where would you use it?
Oh. Well, I don't have it, so I don't have the option.
Where would you use it?
Well, where there was a rock.
Which rock?
Give me a minute.
The whole earth is a rock.
Oh, to this one here, but we don't need it now, because we basically got all the way. I'll clear this level, and then you can go all the way to the spade.
You got it.
Oh!
Hey, thanks for clearing the level.
Oh, I thought there was floor there. This is a big ol' whoops. Sorry, Justin. I broke my promise. I said I'd come home alive, and I...
Well, look how sassy Luigi was.
Yeah, what the...
You think I'm gonna try?
Alright, get it. Got it. Good on you, man.
Good on you, mate.
Good on you. Oh. Justin is really good at this game.
You wanna see something?
Yeah, let's see it.
Never mind. If you get 2 in a row, they power up. And it opens up a clover.
Oh, what's the clover do?
I think it's 7-Up.
7-Up.
Yeah.
Huh. That's cool. It would make more sense if it were like 4-Up, because it's a 4-leaf clover, but hey, who am I to judge?
It's a 4-leaf clover.
Whoa!
Look, there's a Loch Ness monster in here. Zoom in on him as he... Zoom the whole screen in on him.
The terror of the deep.
Zoom in on him when he swims onto the screen. That'd be funny. Alright, see you later, Nessie. Let me just get my...
Where'd you... Oh, there.
Oh, shit.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, that looked like it really hurt me.
Sorry that happened to you, man. If I could have stopped it, I would have stopped it.
Ah!
But life isn't fair all the time.
Life isn't a bear all the time.
It's embarrassing.
Oh!
Whoa!
He came right at me. Gotta get the star.
You got it. Wow. You've played this a lot more than I have.
Yeah, I beat the GBA version.
Oh. Yeah, I didn't.
But only because you could save your progress in that one.
My brother had the GBA version, but he didn't share it with me.
Oh, you're going for that pyramid, huh?
Yeah, what else would I go for? What the?
It's a level. That pyramid's a level. You have to face it.
Oh. Okay.
Go in that door.
Door.
Cheat.
Sheet, man. Sheet.
Watch out for that bombshell.
Done it. Do it. Okay.
One and done.
No, I'm not messing with that.
You have to get the mushroom.
Not messing with it.
Oh, boy. Okay.
I
Good
got
luck.
it. Oh. Oh, God.
You need a shell.
I got shell.
You need Michelle.
Son of a bitch! Oh!
It's okay, Jake. Video games are hard.
Video games are hard, and this is a trialing time for me.
Here, I'll show you a secret to lift your mood.
Okay. What? That's so awesome! That's so cool what you just did.
Frog suit.
Frog suits from this game?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I never got the frog suit ever. I don't even know what it does.
Dude, everything is... Whoa!
There's a reason this one's the favorite. Oh, you're dead.
Oh no, I died.
Sorry, brah.
I didn't realize they'd be fire-breathing lizards. These are the only fire-breathing turtles, except for Bowser.
I'm gonna take them on. I'll avenge your death, brother.
Good luck. You only have one hit. Look,
oh yeah, they're fires. 3.
Super Mario Brothers 3.
If I play can I beat them with the sound of music?
You can put them to sleep.
And these sick beats?
No. It puts them to sleep so you can move over them.
Fuck!
Thanks for avenging me.
Sorry, didn't stand a chance. Put up my best fight, laid down the gauntlet, and they beat me to a sacky pulp.
A sacky pulp.
Shut up.
That was nothing but a sacky pulp once they were done with me. Shit!
Man, I hate it when orange juice has a bunch of sacky pulp in it.
I like the sacky pulp.
You do?
Yeah.
Man.
I'm a sacky pulp kind of guy, what can I say?
And there's this
L-L-L-L-L-L-L-O-L. Alright, good luck in the pyramid.
I've given up on the,
Turtles.
Turtles.
Oh, I want one of those,
Suck it.
caramel turtles.
Yeah, do you like those a lot?
I like them enough to eat them.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez, Rick.
Yeah, you did tell me about that today. I tried to do the... What the fuck?
You didn't press down, you pressed forward. Watch out!
What? What? What?
Okay, I'm honest with you. I don't have an answer for what happened there.
I'm very confused now. How are you gonna take these on? Oh, you're dead. Oh, you're dead. Oh, you're dead. Oh, you're dead. Oh, Justin, you're dead. Hey!
Look what I get.
You did it.
For my efforts.
I want to see. Another flute! So if we have like... What's the point if we're not going to use them with warp?
Show off my skills.
Oh, okay.
My skillets.
Alright, it's time to do it. I'm going to take this on.
Headstrong, take you on.
It's for the children.
Headstrong will take on anyone.
Orphans, if you're at home watching this, this is for you.
That's true.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Jake doesn't care enough about the orphans.
Orphans have failed you. I
failed you!
I failed you! Master Wayne!
I failed you!
I won't marry another Wayne. I won't do it. I failed you. I failed your mother and father. Oh, so you're warping. Man, screw you. I'm embarrassed.
Whoops. Oh, we're fighting. Oh, that doesn't work.
That does not work. Will you lose lives in this?
I don't think so.
just kill somebody. Just kill me.
We're so in sync, dude.
Dude, yeah, we are in sync, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're two sides of one beating heart. Together. Go, Luigi. Go. Oh, so you fight for the right to go first.
No.
No. What?
What?
Why'd you do this?
Oh, I didn't realize. I thought...
That was dumb.
Okay, we'll go back to 5 then.
Justin, that was dumb. Why are we going back to 5?
It's got a spiral tower.
Spiral tower.
Yeah.
The anti
Whoa, calm down.
Yeah,
Shit.
I'm calm.
That guy wasn't. He was late for work.
Late for work.
Well, Spiral Cloud. It's the only one in the game like that. I don't know why they put it in there.
So that's the only reason you came here?
No.
Because that Spiral Cloud there is the only Spiral Cloud in the game?
There's another one.
There's... It's the only Spiral Cloud in the game. Also, there's 50 of them everywhere that you look.
Well...
I'm a dumb guy. My worldview is limited.
Look how hungry these petals are.
Yeah, I agree. That was one hungry petal.
Also, I completely lied about the cloud. I made that fact up.
Fuck you!
I made it up when I saw it. Also, there's 2 of them
There's
on
2
the
of them
screen
right
before then.
Oh no. Okay, good. Fuck you. You just faking me out and making up shit. You came to World 5 to fuck with me, didn't you?
I was at World 6 and then I teleported to 5.
You dingus. Alright, I got this.
Well, look at those clouds. They're in the shape of power-ups.
Yeah, look at that spiral cloud. It's the only spiral cloud
In the whole game.
Oh, this star cloud? It's the only star cloud in the game.
I know.
This chain chomp? Only chain chomp in the game.
That Mario is the only
Mario?
one.
Only Mario. Oh. But that one's not the joke.
Your hubris has killed you again.
Son of a bitch!
My bad, it was your greed.
Oh, what is hubris?
Your pride and overconfidence.
Oh.
Your ego.
Yeah, it wasn't that. Nah, it was definitely greed. I thought that thing had a shell. I was wrong.
Hello, my name is Greed Bratton.
Greed Bratton? Oh, Creed! Hi, I got it.
Where'd you get it?
The Office.
Oh.
Get it?
Ah.
Of course you got it. You made the reference.
I was watching that show when you were still in diapers.
Still in diapers?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know when I was in diapers. I don't even remember. I don't even think I wore diapers.
Ever.
I was always a man. I always knew how to use the toilet.
I watched Mulan at a very early age and I took notes.
You took heavy notes during that time. Oh.
Fucking...
You're gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
Oh. Hey, chain chomp.
Sometimes you're given a gift.
Like painting.
Painting?
Yeah, that's your gift.
You got me that gift?
For
Christmas?
I gotta get a star. I did it.
Hey, you did it again. You know what? Good on you.
Good on you, mate.
Good on you, mate.
Boomerang.
Boomerang, wallaby, all the likes.
My throwing stick, John boomeranged on me.
That's a big old pipe.
Yeah.
This is
That joke was from The Simpsons.
dick. What?
No, catch the power up. Oh wait, that's from Kirby.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I have to give you that level.
Oh, balls.
From
Oh,
Friends
balls.
Up. So the thing about this is the opposite ends are linked.
Huh?
The screen wraps on itself.
What
Never mind.
am
It's a
I
different
even
level.
doing?
What am I even doing?
Hey, we... Oh, I found the pipe. That's a good one. Oh,
You can swim up.
so
But
we'll
you
swim
don't
back
need
up.
to. You don't need to.
No? Is this good? Am I doing it? Am I doing the thing? Have I unlocked my potential?
Ew, that water's green. Hey, another Nessie. Play some really like ominous music
Alright.
and make it swim into the
I'll
screen.
play really ominous
No,
music
during the
right
first
now.
Nessie.
Alright, doing first and second Nessie. Second Nessie gets less ominous music. First Nessie gets even more ominous. So
You gotta zoom in so like the whole screen
I'll
is a fish.
I'll tone it down, and it is a fish. It is a good fish.
It's a good fish.
Alright,
Go pet Nessie.
go pet Nessie. Alright, we'll come back next time on Bro Birds and some more Mario if you so desire.
Email me.
Oh god, he threw a block at me! What the fuck?